I shall not want.
You are my shepherd,
Leading me on.
you supply my every need.
According to your grace, I will trust you forever and give you all my praise. When I could not see tomorrow, you made a way for me. When every door seemed closed before me, your hand supplied my need. Oh,
Jesus, my provider,
I shall not want.
you are my shepherd,
Leading me on.
you supply my every need.
According to your grace, I will trust you forever and give you all my praise. You fed the thousands with a blessing, 5 loaves and 2 small fish. You are the same God, still providing, meeting every need I bring.
I will not fear the future,
For you know what I need.
for you know what I need.
Every day of every
Your
season,
hand leads me.
your faithful hand leads me.
Jesus, my provider,
I shall not want.
you are my shepherd,
Leading me on.
you supply my every need.
According to your grace, I will trust you forever and give you all my praise. You care for every bird in heaven. You clothe the flowers in the field.